and welcome to Costumes and Cocktails. Today's cocktail is called the Maiden's Prayer. The term maiden is an archaic one, and it refers to either a young woman or a much older woman who is unmarried, and if you were unmarried during that time, you were also a In the days of yore, a woman's virtue was something to be celebrated, which is why this cocktail was most likely named by a bartender with a sense of humour. The Esquire's Handbook for Hosts ran a similar recipe in 1949, with the footnote that this cocktail should be served on the edge of a couch to one state who might be in need of one or two of these cocktails to warm up for some adventures ahead. Let's get to making this cocktail and see just how much it warms us up. Now, this cocktail is quite a simple one, comprised mainly of citrus botanicals, which is why I've opted to use Corvo, a Chicago distilled gin. This one does have some citrus botanicals, but it also has wildflower and peppery notes, so I think those will play quite well. Of the gin, we are going to need 45 milliliters. Ooh, such a really, really good gin. Let us do 45. The next ingredient is 15 milliliters of Cointreau or triple sec. Both are orange liqueurs. It's lucky I have these long sleeves to wipe up any spills. Then we need 15 milliliters of freshly squeezed orange juice. And finally, 15 milliliters of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Time to pour it into a coupe glass that is garnished with a lime, lemon or citrus twist. Oh, perfect. Damn, I'm good. Time for the taste. Oh, that's not as overwhelmingly citrus as I thought it was going to be. It's actually more tart than I anticipated. I thought it was going to be really sweet, but the fresh lemon and fresh orange bring that like super citrusy, zesty freshness. Fresh. It's fresh to death. But not cloyingly sweet. The triple sec adds the sweetness, and the gin brings the whole cocktail together. Ooh. This would make a really, really good breakfast cocktail if one is into those. I will definitely be praying for more of these, and I could see how this would be served as an evening cocktail. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next week.
I love that. You look like a fair maiden.